Now we will look into the magic words from Eastern Disquite and TMC BJP tussle in West Bengal. Tussle, spelling Tussle, it's a noun. A vigorous struggle typically in order to obtain or achieve something. Example, there was a tussle for the ball. It's also a verb. Engage in a vigorous struggle or shuffle. Example, kids tussled with each other. Second word, disquiet. Disquuiet. It's a noun. Feeling of worry and unhappiness about something. Example, there is a considerable public disquiet about the safety of the new trains. Third one, disconcertingly. Disconcertingly. It's a verb. Subject to make subject feel anxious, confused, embarrassed. Example, he had disconcerting habit of offering jobs to the people he met at dinner parties. Fourth word, spectre. It's a noun. Something unpleasant that people are afraid might happen in the future. Example, the country is haunted by the spectre of civil war. Fifth word, fourfold. It's also a past perfect foretell. It's a verb meaning predict future or about a future event. Example, a seer had foretold that Modi could assume the throne. And the sixth word is reign. Reign. A noun meaning the period during which a king or a queen rules. Example, under the reign of Stuart King. Verb example, Queen Victoria reigned from 1837 to 1901. The seventh word is partisan. It's a noun. A person who strongly supports particular leader or group or idea. Example, most newspapers are politically partisan. Eighth word is foothold. It's a noun meaning a crack or a hole or a branch where your foot can be safely supported when climbing. A second meaning, strong position in business. Example, the company is eager to gain foothold in Europe. The ninth word is foray. A noun, its meaning a sudden attack or incursion into enemy territory, especially to obtain something. A garrison made a foray against Richard Camp. 10th one is advances. It's a verb. Move forward in purposeful way. He advanced towards the dispatch lost. 11th one is buttress. A noun, a structure of stone or a brick built against the wall to strengthen or support. Verb, to support or give strength to the subject. The sharp increase in crimes seems to buttress the argument for more police officers on the street. The last and final word, is incoherence. Incoherence. It's an adjective expressing yourself in a way that is not clear. Example, the talk she gave was incoherent and badly prepared. My comment on the editorial, as well as the situation is going on in West Bengal. Those who are in power at center or state, forgetting the cornerstone of the democracy, that is, they'll be elected only to serve the needs of the people, but not for the strengthening their organizations, maybe BJP or TMC. The TMC and BJP should retrospect their way to regain the power in West Bengal, not through the violence, only through the democracy, where people feel free to vote, cast their vote to elect their next government. Thank you for your support. Thank you, one and all.